So students, we are once again back in a lecture video for class 12th accountancy. I am Mahendra Kumar, faculty of Mount Literacy School for accounts and English PGT. Children, today we will be continuing our chapter non-profit organization further, and I will be explaining you questions after 30. Okay. So first you will be reading the question from your book, and then you will be posting the items in the balance sheet, in the opening balance sheet, and then after that you will be getting your answer, that is capital fund. As we know children, from beforehand only that जितने भी adjustments हैं उनकी हमको डबल एंट्री करनी पड़ती है, ठीक है. So outstanding subscription over here 2400. So here again you will be doing the adjustments in income expenditure account. By subscription you will be writing, you will be deducting last year, current year you will be adding, advance last year you will be adding, and current last year you will be deducting. So this you will be getting the answer of subscriptions. Then here we have medicine consumed, opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. And then we have different depreciation on equipment, depreciation on machine, building, doctor's honorarium, okay, salary, petty expenses. So what all items are written on the payment side of the receipt and payment account, we will be writing on the expenditure side. And what all items we are going to find on the receipt side, we will be writing on the income side, like donation, proceeds from charity show, interest on investments. Okay, here again we have closing stock of 97,400, closing stock of medicines, cash in hand, outstanding subscription equipment, we have depreciation, opening equipment plus new purchases minus debt, closing equipment we got, building again depreciation deducted, we got this, and in the end we will be writing over here capital fund, and whatever the surplus will be, it will be added over here in this capital fund, and then we will be getting the answer of it. And the end, the current balance sheet, current year balance sheet will be telling 1,83,003, 18,33,950, and 18,33,950. Okay, so next question. Question number 35. In question number 35, again you have to prepare that opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. So first you will be preparing opening balance sheet. 3,000 is your cash, okay, and outstanding salary or subscription 600 plus 200, so 3,000 you got your capital fund. Okay, here is the closing balance sheet, cash, outstanding subscription, advance insurance, investment, accrued interest on investment, outstanding rent of hall, cost of car, building, amount paid in advance, outstanding medicine bill, advance subscription, endowment fund, life membership fee, capital fund, you will be adding donation, 2/3 of entrance fees. This was given in your adjustment, that entire donation and 2/3 of the interest fee is to be capitalized, and again surplus. Okay, so here you will be getting an income expenditure account. By subscription 70,000, donation you will be deducting, you will be adding current year subscription, donation again wrongly added in subscription, so this will be added, it will be capitalized, so here you will be writing nil. Interest on investment, rent of hall, outstanding rent, entrance fees, 2/3 is to be capitalized, grant from local authorities, proceeds from charity show, sundries, insurance was paid up 3 months, okay, medicine consumed, opening plus outstanding current bill current year, honorarium to clerk, car expenses, charity, electricity expenses on charity show, and meeting expenses, and this is the surplus bill. So here again the current balance sheet will be tally Now question number 37, children. Today we will be finishing with this chapter and we will have to start a new chapter in our further lecture, video lecture. Again, opening balance sheet and opening balance sheet will be prepared, then income expenditure account, then closing balance sheet. Cash in hand, outstanding subscription, building 1,20,000, musical instrument 30,000, bank overdraft, you will be getting capital fund 1,46,600. Okay, subscription 56,200, outstanding 3,800. Okay, proceeds from drama, sale of waste paper, salaries, drama expenses, municipal taxes, upkeep of land, office expenses, sports material. Here you will be getting your surplus 350, 30,500. Then cash in hand, cash at bank, building. Again new purchase 1,20,000 plus 60, so 80. Outstanding subscription, sports material, musical instruments, endowment fund, legacies, prize fund. You will be deducting prize distributed out of the prize fund. Charity fund, charity given हटा देंगे. Advance subscription, capital fund and surplus will be added. Then again the total will be tally. I hope children you must have understood these questions. And next lecture video we will be starting with the new chapter. Till then, take care and do the questions. Thank you, children.